Do you know many people are having trouble with lowering the headrest in their Toyota Corolla? Don't worry. In this video, we'll show you how you do this. Let's start. Step 1. Pull headrest up. First, gently pull the headrest upward to release it from its current position. Step 2. Press release button. Next, press the lock release button while simultaneously pushing the headrest down. Step 3. Align headrest. Ensure the headrest aligns perfectly with the installation holes on both sides. Step 4. Push headrest down. Then firmly push the headrest down into the locked position. Step 5. Hold release button. While lowering, continue to hold the lock release button to facilitate smooth adjustment. Step 6. Check secure lock. Double-check that the headrest is securely locked in its new lowered position. By following these steps, you should now be able to comfortably lower the headrest in your Toyota Corolla 2023. Still need help? Visit our website for the complete manual. There you will also find questions and answers from other Toyota users. Did you find this video helpful? By subscribing, you help us continue to answer users' questions. So, subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.